Wallets have become the foundation of user analytics in crypto. Every transaction, token transfer, and protocol interaction leaves a public record on-chain. Wallet analytics brings those signals together to help teams understand who their users are, how they behave, and what drives long-term growth. In this guide, we'll look at what wallet analytics is, why it matters, and how leading crypto teams use it. Wallet analytics is the process of building a unified user profile from on-chain and off-chain activity. Instead of focusing on clicks and impressions, it looks at wallet behavior. That includes transaction history, token holdings, DeFi activity, and interactions across DeFi protocol. The goal is simple. Turn blockchain activity into insights that product, marketing, and growth teams can use. A complete wallet profile combines several types of data. Behavioral analytics shows how users interact with DeFi apps. Financial analytics tracks assets, portfolio value, and liquidity positions. Engagement measures participation in governance and communities. Lifecycle analytics shows whether users are new, active, or becoming dormant. Network and cross-chain analytics add another layer by connecting activity across wallets, ecosystems, and blockchains. Together, these dimensions create a much richer understanding of every user. Building that view comes with several challenges. One user may control multiple wallets. Spam activity and Sybil attacks can distort the data. Users move across social platforms, wallets, DeFi apps, and multiple chains before completing meaningful actions. And without standard user identifiers, teams need reliable identity resolution to connect those activities into one profile. These are some of the biggest challenges in DeFi analytics today. Wallet analytics creates value across the crypto ecosystem. DeFi apps can identify high-value users and understand how they use the app. Gaming teams can analyze player behavior and reduce churn. NFT projects can distinguish long-term collectors from short-term traders. DAOs can identify active contributors and governance leaders. The same wallet data supports different decisions depending on the product. The goal is to bring all of that information into one place. A unified wallet profile combines transaction history, financial metrics, lifecycle stage, wallet labels, and activity across multiple chains. Instead of switching between dashboards, teams get a complete view of each user's journey. That makes it easier to understand behavior and make better product and growth decisions. Many teams still rely on manual analysis. They export data, query block explorers, build dashboards, and combine reports in spreadsheets. That approach becomes harder as user activity grows. Wallet intelligence automates this process. Profiles update as behavior changes, segmentation happens automatically, and teams can identify valuable users much faster. The process starts with raw blockchain data. That data is analyzed to identify behavioral patterns. Those patterns become user segments based on activity, portfolio value, engagement, and other signals. The result is actionable insight that teams can use for marketing, product development, and user retention. The objective is to turn blockchain data into decisions. Different teams use wallet analytics in different ways. Product teams identify friction and prioritize features. Marketing teams build better audiences, measure attribution, and improve campaign performance. Leadership teams track growth, monitor ROI, and understand how user behavior changes over time. Everyone works from the same data while focusing on different questions. Successful teams follow a few common practices. Start with clear metrics that reflect real user value. Segment users by behavior, financial activity, and life cycle stage. Focus on a small number of core KPIs before expanding, and regularly benchmark results to measure progress over time. A strong analytics program grows through continuous iteration. Privacy remains a core principle. Wallet analytics works with public blockchain data while preserving pseudonymity. Teams should collect only the data they need, avoid unnecessary tracking, and focus on aggregated insights wherever possible. Strong analytics and strong privacy should work together. Wallet analytics is continuing to evolve. AI is making blockchain data easier to explore. On-chain identity standards are creating richer user profiles. Predictive models are helping teams identify future power users and users at risk of churning. At the same time, new privacy technologies are making it possible to generate insights while protecting user data. The tools will continue to improve, but the goal stays the same: to understand users better and make better growth decisions. Wallet Analytics gives crypto teams a clearer picture of their users. It connects blockchain activity, user behavior, and business outcomes into one system that supports product, marketing, and growth. That's the approach we've built into Formo. From wallet profiles and lifecycle analytics to attribution and retention, Formo helps teams measure what matters on-chain. If you'd like to see it in action, book a demo at formo.so.